Howdy YouTubers, here we go again. We have another special Amazon unboxing video. You guys can check them out. My affiliate link will be down below. All you gotta do is click on it and see what other goodies they have to offer besides this item. Hopefully you guys had a good day. Everybody is safe. This is coming from my good friends over at VIBOFROST. This is their frozen drink maker. Top of the line. They got a sale going on right now. All you gotta do is click the link. Check it out. Definitely excited for this one. Thank you guys for sending me this unit for a review. And here we go. Alright guys, here it is. Frozen drink maker. Look at this thing, guys. Cannot wait to test this out. Superior frozen drink experience. One touch. Hassle-free. Clean. 5 set pre-settings. Very nice. Different colors to choose from. So all you gotta do is click the link. Make some frozen drinks. Just to end the summer. As already shown. I think it has some kind of like crazy technology that makes it super strong without adding ice to it. So this got to add liquid. But these are very fancy. Alright, here we go. Alright guys, here it is. She is a beauty. Nice and well protective. Excellent job. And it says right here, leave it upright for about 2 hours. So I'm not going to touch it for 2 hours and then come back. And you guys will see this thing in action. But man, look at that. Super crazy, guys. There's an LED display. You can touch the presets. Selecting your drink style. Look at this. Ooh. Ah. Oh, another one. Ah. And another one. So I got about 2 hours to kill now. Ooh, shiny. But yeah, this thing I am definitely excited for. Like I said, this would be perfect for any parties for the 2026 season. And still with the 2025 season, it's almost coming to an end. But you got the major holidays coming up. So this would be a perfect birthday party, graduation next year. But you can catch my drift. All these. Another one. Ooh. Ooh. And another one. Bites the dust. It's supposed to be easy cleaning. So you don't have to worry about cleaning that much. Which is a good thing. This comes out. Slides. That's where you fill. Right there. I'm just going to leave the stickers out until I'm finished. Ooh, I wrote out the name. Shoot. Oh well. It's all good. And that's why I'm not sure why they covered that up. Got those stickers right there. Whoops. It happens. Just remember, pull that sticker easy instead of ripping. But yeah. Excellent counterpiece for conversation. Definitely, we'll be back in about 2 hours. TikTok. Alright guys, here we go. I'm going to set it there for this video. I already got my syrup. Banana. Here we go. Got the glass ready. Now it says let it sit for 2 hours. Like this. So it's been about an hour and a half. Should be good to go. But this is really easy. Take apart and clean. All you gotta do is lift. And then make sure you take this off. Lift. And then you pull out. You can see the blade. So make sure it is turned off. And make sure your kids don't touch it. Here we go. And just clean it, before use. I think this is good though. I don't see no dirt. So we are good. Let's slide it back in and lock it. You can see the grooves right there. Locked. And now add this back. kind of hard to do it one-handed. And here we go. It is locked into place. Ain't going nowhere. So now we turn it on. And I had to remove the glass. So now you can see the spray right here. Now we got Slushie. You can change the thickness. Right now it's at 77. I'm going to let it get cooled down first. Probably the 70s maybe. You can change the thickness. We're going to get nice and thick. Then add that in a second. I'm going to see if I need to leave it on while it cools or just while it starts. Hold up. Okay, we are good to go. There's a minimum fill line and a max. That's where we're going to set it to the max. It's time. And there we have it. Bada boom, we got that stuff going. And now we're good to go. So we're good about the fill line. Put your glass right here. And press. Begin. Pretty cool. It's not too loud. Give it a little bit. Let this thing do its thing. So it might take a few minutes to get it fully chilled. So I'm going to pause you guys, but I want to show you guys at least this part. And get it in one shot. So we're going to let it do its thing for a little bit. Be right back. Now when this thing is ready, as you can see, look at that. Oh yeah. It's going to beep and it's going to say cool. Then you're all good. Takes a few minutes. Super chilled and ready to drink. Crazy, I tell you. But really cool. Like I said, this would be a good housewarming gift. Birthday gift, Christmas gift. We got holidays coming up, guys. Really fast. So if you don't know what to buy, that hard to get person, so many options with this thing. Really cool. Like I said, once you get it out of the box, put it on your counter for about 2 hours, walk away, and then come back, and it should be good to go. And then, like I said, check them out. My affiliate link will be down below. You guys be safe. Have a good night.